my name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today's video is about what's for dinner. So we're gonna make something really simple but also delicious, full of really nice, amazing flavors. We are going to have this grilled drumsticks. This is the chicken drumsticks that I marinated in gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste, and some garlic and ginger and all these other amazing ingredients in our marinade. And also we're grilling asparagus and we're roasting potatoes. These are really nice, flavorful, very simple, budget-friendly dinner. So let's go ahead and start. Let's start by washing and drying the asparagus well, and then cut the bottom part where it's tough and hard, and then lay them on a baking sheet pan and drizzle some oil. And then we're gonna season them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I also squeeze about half the lemon juice, and then heat the grill pan with oil and start grilling the asparagus until they're tender and you see those grill marks. Now let's start roasting our potatoes. Cut them in half, then cut them again into bite-sized pieces. At this point, make sure that you're preheating your oven to 450 degrees. And then add some oil, season it with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, dried rosemary, a little bit of red chili pepper flakes, and toss everything together. And now once they're well coated with all those seasoning, then place them onto a prepared baking sheet pan. Make sure that you spread them for even baking and bake them for about 20-30 minutes or until they're golden brown. And now let's start marinating our chicken. Make sure that you cut slits on all sides of the drumsticks. And then add the soy sauce, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, honey, brown sugar, gochujang, this is the Korean chili paste, grate 1 clove of garlic, grate about an inch size of ginger, add the applesauce. I also added a little bit of sesame oil, then toss everything together and marinate them for about an hour, or overnight will be better. And when you're ready, heat the grill pan with oil and then add the chicken and cook them all the way through or until the internal temperature reaches about 165 degrees. Alright, my lovelies, isn't that nice to have dinner done in no time? You can marinate your meat ahead of time. And the marinade that I use for this chicken drumsticks, you can use them for any kind of meat that you want. You can use them for pork, beef, or even shrimps. Shrimps are really nice because they cook fast, and also you can grill any kind of veggies you like. I just love asparagus, but you can grill zucchini, bell pepper, mushrooms, whatever you like. And for roasted potatoes, you can roast any other kind of veggies or any kind of root vegetables that you like, using the same seasonings that I use for this roasted potatoes. And don't forget to drizzle the oil because it helps brown the potatoes. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you need more recipes, just head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.